Stop wasting hours in the kitchen. What if I told you these 37 gadgets can cut your cooking time in half? This tiny tool alone saves you 20 minutes every single day, and it costs less than your lunch. But wait, gadget number 9 literally does the job of 5 different tools, and most people don't even know it exists. Let's start with the one that blew my mind. Cook anything, anywhere with the Pro 2.5L electric hot pot. This all-in-one ceramic cooker features adjustable temperature, a lid, and steamer, perfect for ramen, frying, and more. Compact and portable, it's ideal for dorms, camping, or RVs. Quick, safe, and versatile cooking made easy. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Cook for the whole family with the Dash family-size skillet. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity and 14-inch non-stick surface, it's perfect for large meals. The tempered glass lid and cool touch handles ensure safe, easy cooking, versatile and convenient for any kitchen. Cook smarter with the Ninja Crispy Pro 6 in 1 glass air fryer. With up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit power, it air fries, bakes, roasts, and more for perfectly crispy results every time. Featuring durable, non-toxic glass containers in 6QT and 2.5QT sizes, it's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making healthy cooking easier than ever. Cook faster anywhere with the Cuisinmax 1800W double burner hot plate. Featuring powerful ceramic infrared heating and dual controls, it heats up in seconds and works with all cookware. Compact, portable, and perfect for home, dorms, or extra cooking space. Create cafe-style drinks at home with this 4-in-1 electric milk frother. With a 10-ounce capacity, it heats and froths milk for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, or hot chocolate, hot or cold. Automatic, quick, and easy to use, it delivers smooth, creamy foam every time. Cook and serve multiple dishes at once with the Amazon Basics Triple Slow Cooker. Featuring 3 2.5-quart pots with ceramic nonstick coating, it offers easy cooking and cleanup. Adjustable temperature controls keep food perfectly warm. Ideal for parties, buffets, and family gatherings. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Cook with clarity using this 1.5L borosilicate glass cooking pot. Perfect for pasta, noodles, soup, or milk, it lets you watch your food as it cooks. Heat-resistant and stovetop safe, it includes a lid and brush for easy use and cleaning. Simple, stylish, and practical for everyday cooking. Bring the fun of Korean barbecue home with the Techwood Raclette Grill. Featuring a removable 2-in-1 non-stick grill plate, 8 cheese melt pans, and 1500W fast heating. It's perfect for grilling meats, veggies, and melting cheese. Ideal for parties and family gatherings. Interactive, delicious, and easy to use. Make delicious mini pancakes in minutes with this 110V Mini Dutch Pancake Baker. Featuring 50 molds, 1700W power, and non-stick plates for easy cooking. With dual timers and thermostats, it delivers perfect results. Ideal for home kitchens and busy restaurants. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color Collapsible Batter Bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time. Cook 2 dishes at once with Chef-Aid's slow cooker divider liners. Made from 100% reusable silicone, these liners fit 6, 8-quart slow cookers and keep flavors separate with ease. The built-in handles make lifting simple, while the non-stick design ensures quick cleanup. Perfect for convenient, mess-free cooking. Enjoy your favorite drinks with ease using this 3L electric kettle beverage dispenser. Brew tea or coffee with the built-in infuser, control the temperature to perfection, and serve effortlessly with the convenient spigot. Stylish glass design, perfect for home or office. Hot or cold drinks made simple. Organize your spices in style with the Povinmo's 3-piece glass salt container set. Each 10-ounce jar features a sleek design, airtight lid, and a convenient retractable spoon for easy serving. Perfect for salt, sugar, herbs, and spices, keeping your kitchen neat and functional. Keep your kitchen organized with the XIYO 20 pounds grain dispenser. Featuring a 360 degrees rotating design and 6 separate grids, it lets you store and access rice, beans, cereal, and more with ease. The sealed lid keeps food fresh, while the large capacity is perfect for busy homes. Clean, convenient, and space-saving storage made simple. Make perfect eggs every time with the Techa frittata and omelette pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea. Quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Brew the perfect cup with the Vinci Micro Cafe, the smallest single-serve coffee brewer. Compatible with K-cups, pods, and ground coffee, it uses enclosed circle flow brewing for hotter, richer flavor. Easily brew 4 ounces to 20 ounces of your favorite coffee in sleek black. Compact, convenient, and full of flavor. Upgrade your drink station with the Want Join Fructose dispenser. This commercial-grade 8L machine features 16 precise weight settings for accurate syrup dispensing every time. Perfect for bubble tea and beverages, it includes a measuring cup and mixing stick, fast, efficient, and consistent for busy kitchens or shops. Simplify cooking with the utensil stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands for multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Cook perfect baked potatoes in minutes with the Yummy Potato Microwave Cooker. As seen on TV, it steams spuds to tender, fluffy perfection right in your microwave. Dishwasher safe, clear design makes cooking simple, quick, and mess-free. Ideal for holidays, gifts, or everyday meals. Mix dough the easy way with the Tivia Danish dough whisk. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a comfortable wooden handle, it blends sourdough and bread dough smoothly without overworking. Strong, simple, and efficient, perfect for homemade baking every time. Extract fresh juice effortlessly with the Zuli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. This heavy-duty manual citrus press handles lemons, oranges, and more with ease. Made from durable cast iron with stainless steel components, it's easy to clean, professional quality, and perfect for fresh, flavorful juice every day. Cook more with less hassle using the Bella electric skillet. This 12x12-inch copper pan features a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup, a glass lid for perfect monitoring, and cool touch handles for safe use. With a removable heating probe and dishwasher-safe design, it's your go-to for quick, delicious meals every day. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible, it holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the 33 by 22-inch Smart Waterfall Kitchen Sink Workstation. Handmade from 16-gauge stainless steel in sleek gunmetal black, this drop-in single-bowl sink combines style and durability. Perfect for efficient prep, cleanup, and modern kitchen functionality. Cook smarter with this 12-cutie large dual air fryer. Featuring 2 6-cutie baskets, sync cook function, and a full touchscreen panel, It lets you prepare 2 dishes at once with perfect timing. Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and with a viewing window. Easy, fast, and healthier cooking made simple. Cook perfect rice in minutes with the Joseph M Cuisine microwave rice cooker. This 2-liter capacity steamer makes fluffy rice effortlessly in your microwave. Designed for convenience with easy handling and mess-free cooking, ideal for quick, everyday meals. Upgrade your kitchen with this 7-piece Japanese-style knife set. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for sharp, precise cutting, it comes with a foldable magnetic acacia wood block for stylish storage. Featuring anti-slip handles, perfect for everyday cooking and a great gift idea. Open cans effortlessly with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Just press a button for smooth, hands-free operation that leaves safe, clean edges. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's the perfect kitchen tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. Make perfect rotis in seconds with the Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Cook anywhere with the Ovent electric countertop single burner. With 1000W power, a durable 6-inch stainless steel coil, and 5-level temperature control, it's perfect for quick meals. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small spaces, dorms, or travel cooking. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker sandwich press. With 1200W power, it easily makes waffles, sandwiches, and paninis. The removable non-stick plates ensure quick cleanup, while 5-gear temperature control gives perfect results every time. With handy indicator lights and a sleek red design, it's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Toast your favorites perfectly every time with this 4-slice toaster. Featuring 1.5-inch wide slots, 6 browning levels, and settings for 6 bread types. With touchscreen controls, digital timer, memory, defrost, and reheat functions, it's smart, fast, and convenient for any breakfast. Cook smarter with the TiferSync 8 Cutie AI Smart Air Fryer. This 9-in-1 XL air fryer features a built-in wireless meat thermometer for perfect results every time. With a 450 degrees Fahrenheit max, non-toxic ceramic coating, and space for a 6-pound chicken, powerful, quiet, and dishwasher safe. Refresh and care for yourself with the Yoni Steam Kit. This all-in-one set includes an intelligent steam seat with a soft cushion and 20 herbal steam bags for a soothing at-home experience. Designed to support feminine hygiene, comfort, and relaxation. Perfect for self-care, postpartum recovery, and monthly wellness routines. Cook more in less time with this 20-inch XL indoor grill electric griddle. Powered by 1800W, it delivers even heat for pancakes, eggs, and more. The non-stick surface, adjustable temperature, and drip tray make cooking and cleanup quick and effortless. Cook cozy meals with the Sunvivy 2-quart slow cooker. Perfect for small portions, it features 3 heat settings for easy, controlled cooking. The removable ceramic pot and dishwasher-safe glass lid make cleanup simple, compact, convenient, and ideal for everyday home cooking. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the Nespresso Citizen espresso machine by Delonghi. Its sleek design, fast heat-up, and one-touch operation deliver rich, flavorful espresso in seconds, perfect for elevating your daily coffee routine. Clean and drain with ease using the multifunctional drain basket. This 2024 fruit cleaning bowl set includes 2 clear containers with built-in strainers, perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, and catching food over the sink. Durable, practical, and mess-free, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Bake fresh bread at home with the Naretva 20-in-1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks, your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Make fresh juice effortlessly with the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. With just one button, it quickly squeezes oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed in sleek black and stainless steel, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for fresh, healthy juice every day. Upgrade your sink with the Forious kitchen faucet. Featuring a sleek brushed nickel finish, high-arc design, and pull-down sprayer for maximum flexibility. The single-handle control makes temperature and flow easy to adjust, perfect for kitchens, RVs, laundry rooms, and more. Durable, stylish, and built for everyday use. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Cook perfect rice anywhere with the Bear Mini Rice Cooker. This portable 1.2L cooker handles 2 cups uncooked rice, features a non-stick BPA-free pot, and a one-button cook and keep warm function. Compact, easy to use, and ideal for travel or small kitchens. Create authentic injera and pancakes with this 18.5-inch electric injera maker. Designed with a large non-stick surface, even heating, and an adjustable knob for precise control. Easy to clean and comes with a lid, perfect for delicious homemade results every time. Keep your homemade goods fresh with the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Fully automatic and compatible with all regular and wide-mouth mason jars, it seals jars airtight to preserve canned foods, sauces, and pantry staples. Sleek black design makes it easy, efficient, and essential for every kitchen. Elevate your kitchen with the FYGO Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser Set. Each 350 milliliters glass bottle comes with a pourer and funnel for precise, mess-free pouring. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or dressings, this stylish 2-piece set combines functionality and elegance for everyday cooking and serving. Make every recipe perfect with the Farberware 5-piece measuring cup set. Durable, BPA-free plastic cups with easy-read markings ensure accurate measurements every time. Includes a handy coffee scoop and nesting design for easy storage. Dishwasher safe and perfect for everyday cooking and baking. Pour batter with precision using the 800 milliliters stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time.